Hi everybody and welcome back, it's Rog here. Well, I've been thinking, I always make the same sort of bread, so today I'm going to make a different sort of bread. It's going to be a milk loaf. And these are the ingredients that we're going to need. 500 grams of bread flour. Then we're going to need 1 sachet or 700 grams of easy bake yeast, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 25 millilitres of vegetable oil, pop that in, and of course we need milk. I've got 300 millilitres of whole milk, pop that into the bowl, then we're going to start mixing. We're going to start with a spatula, bring the flour together and start to get it into a dough if you like. Now we can do this for quite some time until it all gets incorporated, and then we're going to start using our hands. So in with our hands. This is where it gets messy, guys. Twist and turn, twist and turn, twist and turn. Now we're going to be doing this for at least 10 minutes until you get a dough, a springy sort of a dough. A lot of people do it out on the board, but I can manage to do it in the bowl. Cover it with cling film and we'll leave that to rest. Double in size if you like. There it is. Doesn't that look good? Now I want to bring this round into a shape, into a sort of oblong shape as much as possible, because this is going to go into a loaf tin. There we go. It's getting there. And there's our loaf tin. As you can see, I've put a little bit of cooking oil in here, covered it all over so that our bread doesn't stick. I'm going to give it a good dusting of flour over the top, because I'm going to put a cling film over there and I don't want the cling film to stick to it either. And then we're going to put it somewhere nice and warm to rise. And there it is, lovely shape. That's ready for the oven now. Just take off this little coat that we've got on, this little cling film coat, and it's off to the oven. Gas mark 7 for 30 minutes. And this is what we've got. That's a lovely looking loaf. Just going to give you a few shots of it all the way around. I'm really pleased with that. And now for the test. Cut it open. I'm going to cut it right down the middle so we can see what it looks like. And it looks like this. Lovely and white, and springy and fluffy too. Nice crust on the top. Now I'm really pleased with that. Whether or not I'll do it every time, I'm not sure, or revert back to the other way. But yeah, I'm so pleased with that. Thank you all so much for watching this latest video of mine. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I shall see you all again next time. Bye for now.